Hey everybody, and welcome again to another edition of Unboxed by BulbHead, our unboxing series. Today we're going to be taking a look at Atomic Beam SunBlast, the ultra-bright, motion-activated LED light. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with it, this is a light that you can stick up pretty much anywhere without any wires or pliers. It has an industrial strength adhesive which lets you mount it to virtually anything. Here's the actual SunBlast unit. And it also includes industrial strength adhesive, which is recommended for use. However, if you need to, it includes wall mounts and screws, which you can use to attach directly to your wall. It's a pretty compact unit. The solar panels right on top, the motion detectors right here, and the yellow panels are actually the LED lights. And on the back, you have an on and off switch, which actually has two settings, low on the left, high on the right. It's important to note that if you're doing this during the day, the light's not going to go on. You have to be in a dark room for the light to actually shine. As I mentioned before, it includes two pieces of adhesive tape, which you would place here and here. You must use both in order to mount it to any surface. Thanks for joining me for this edition of Unboxed. Don't forget to click the link in the description below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.